Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal for a diet using an easy method. First, select plain rolled oats, as they offer the most nutritional benefits without added sugars. For a single serving, measure out 1/2 cup of these dry oats. Next, you will need 1 cup of liquid. Unsweetened almond milk or water are excellent choices to keep your meal light and healthy. This simple start sets the foundation for a nutritious and filling breakfast that supports your dietary goals effectively. Now let's cook your oatmeal to perfection. If you prefer the stovetop, combine your oats and liquid in a small pot and cook over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure a creamy texture as the liquid absorbs. For a quicker option, you can microwave your oatmeal for 2 to 3 minutes, making sure to stir it halfway through. Both methods yield delicious, diet-friendly oatmeal in just a few minutes. To make your oatmeal even more enjoyable and nutritious, consider adding some healthy toppings. A 1/4 cup of fresh berries, like blueberries or raspberries, provides natural sweetness and a boost of antioxidants. For added fiber and beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds. A dash of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract can also elevate the flavor without adding any extra calories, making your diet oatmeal truly satisfying. Making oatmeal this easy way offers numerous benefits for your diet. By incorporating it into your breakfast, you'll enjoy sustained energy, helping you feel full and focused for hours. Oatmeal is packed with soluble fiber, which is excellent for promoting satiety and supporting healthy digestion. This straightforward method not only aids in weight management by keeping hunger at bay, but also contributes significantly to your overall well-being, making it a smart choice for a healthy lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.